mukoro go kuzika Honorable Dr. William Mukuru Kasechuunda owabireho omuny'eishengyero wa district ya Bundibugyo okuyiha omwaka gwa 1998 okuzara 1995 kandi oferira myaka 76 y'obukuru Honorable Harriet Ntabazi All State Minister w'ebyamataka kandi obirojwekire mukuru w'ihanga omukushoma obutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga asiimire emirimo y'omugenzi eyakolira ihanga.
That we have lost a patriot and a senior citizen. His legacy of service and hard work will remain an inspiration to the present and the future generation. I salute his lifelong contribution to the development of Bundibugyo district.
Very unfortunate to note that we are losing such strong and revolutionary cadres that formed the benchmark of NRM government in the Bundibugyo district. Beyond the political titles of the late, he served as a medical practitioner, where the local leadership by then worked hard to convince him to work as a district director of health services.
Reverend Father Patrick Twasibwe Ordin wa Bugombya Catholic Church omukuburira kwe ashabira abatura okuhamira omudine emwe.
Amyaka 76 yamazire omunsi akawatakahinduraga idini eyabatirizibwe muri yaferiremo ituno sanga umuntu amyaka 2 yina madini kasatwana oliyo no seraki
abekaye nabo bamugambireho nko muntu obegyese ebintu byingi kandi baragumene bamwizukiraho.
Through it all, he showed us courage in ways many people never saw. He taught us patience, resilience, and the importance of holding on to the faith even when life becomes difficult.
The lesson of all inclusivity, or all inclusiveness. For Dr. Skeunda, there was no nuclear family or extended family. Those lines were blurred.
Omugenzi bamuterire emzinga mukaga nkagumwa muringo go kumusima abwe byakolira ihanga gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.